Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Here I am going to show you how to calculate category-wise total in Microsoft Excel. To calculate the category-wise total, I'm going to use here two methods: the formula method and the pivot table method. As you can see in the Excel sheet here, I have the details of date-wise sales quantities for different products. The requirement is to calculate the category-wise total quantity. First of all, generate the unique list of product categories by using the unique function. Press equals, use the unique function, then in the array select the whole list of products in the source table. Close the formula and press enter. This has generated the unique list of products. Next, to calculate the category-wise total, use the sum if function. In the range parameter, select the product name range in source table. Then, lock the range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. In criteria, click on the first product name that is generated by using the unique function. In the sum range, select the quantities range in the source table. Then, lock the range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Close the formula with a bracket, then press enter. This is the total of sales quantities for the product laptop. For the remaining products, you can simply use the fill handle and drag the first formula down. So, that was the formula method of calculating category-wise total in Excel. Let's look into another method, that is the pivot table method. First of all, click anywhere in the source table. Click on the Insert tab, then Tables, then click on Pivot Table. This dialog box is asking you whether you want to create the pivot table report in the new worksheet or in existing worksheet. I want to generate the report in new worksheet. Click on OK to proceed. In this area, pivot table report will be created. In pivot table fields, drag and drop the product names into the rows area. This creates unique product list. To calculate total for each product, drag and drop the sales quantity in the values area. This is the category-wise total sales report. Change this row labels to product name. So that was all about calculating category-wise total in Excel. To learn more, you can visit my channel's playlist or courses page and see more tutorials. Request you to support this channel by like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.